What's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is your first time viewing my channel, seeing my videos. Make sure you this is your first time viewing my videos, make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up because it really helps me out a lot, and comment down below, comment what you think about the video so far, because I've been trying to find some cool locations, because we've been to like probably I would say 80% of St. Lucia and probably like 90% of the cool capacity part of St. Lucia, the really good place like what they call it. So yeah, so I'm in a location right now. I'm trying to see if there's any cool places to, like, you know, it's worth going, worth showing, like worth doing videos on, trying to see. So if this place is basically some place cool to go see, to show you, then this video is going to go up. If not, then I'm going to scrap this video, because I mean, if the video is not watchable, then I don't think you guys will want to see it. So yeah, let's go see what this area has in store. So I've stumbled upon some area here. It looks kind of cool, but not, it's not cool enough to say, like, you know, make the video that much exciting, because I've seen part of this area before. So I'm going to keep going to see what I stumble upon, or you know, what I see that's exciting to actually shoot. Okay? Woo! We're down in Kiwi area. Okay, so you already know it's always windy around here, so excuse the wind. Woo. I don't know if you guys can remember, if you're an OG subscriber, you remember that road right there. Okay. That road right there, remember that road right there? We did a video and we stopped there. Yeah. Yeah, and there's this place right here. It's not abandoned, but I think it's, yeah, they're building it. But we're not going to go in there as yet. We're going to go in there, and you're going to see that video soon. I didn't go all the way to the other side of the beach because Nan wasn't feeling well, and I guess we had to do a video. I'm not sure. I'm not even sure if it's long enough, but yeah, I'm going to do a video and post it up so you guys can see it. But stay tuned. We're going to go into that unfinished house, and we're going to go all the way to the end.
They will finish that house before you go to the
No, for true. We're going there because by next week, so we should be going there, right?
No.
Yeah, we're going to tell Shani, so Shani will come with us because no Shani's always there.
I'm going to stay right where you stay.
No.
There's a plain house that's not abandoned.
Well, yeah, you can go in it and stuff. You know, that's what we do. So
That's not an abandoned house.
I know. Don't worry. Just take your time. Just take your time now. Yeah, I know. But the sun perfect in the sky, boy. Bushwaka. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video.
Right now, we are outdoors. Somewhere, I would say, at the tip of St. Lucia. You would say that?
Yeah, we always at a tip.
We are here with Michelle. The gang is out today. That's my clothes on today.
We're taking some pictures for Nan's Instagram. You press __, and we're just basically like exploring and going around to see what I would say interesting places we find around it. We've been here before. You will see some of those clips in the video. It's a bit windy, so sorry about the wind as well.
That's something you'll have to deal with when you're by the water in St. Lucia, period.
Yeah.
It's just me.
So yeah, we're going to head around and see what interesting spot we find. We're basically on the Atlantic side of the island, so the sea is kind of rough. You won't be able to go in the water.
Yeah, it's another place to be. Like last time we came, they didn't have much seaweed, but this time there's a lot of it.
So yeah, we're going to head around and see what we can find. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, all the good stuff. Support us. Thanks for the support in advance. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. So yeah, if you subscribe to us, you have to be subscribed to this individual right there. You already know the whole squad, the whole gang. What's your call?
Business call.
Shines Louis official. Subscribe, follow on Instagram. You already know. Squad.
On the rocks.
Yeah, what it is? That look like tent, did it? You're too close like that. Eh? Yes, that getting rough. You're too close. You're too close, let's see.
I feel like it's trouble.
Come, Diane, come. Yeah. I tell you, you're too close. Yeah. Yes, yeah. Them things following us, man. Hold on. Must go fast, man. Stay that. We see very fast, man. Alright, logo. The longer we stay, the longer we take to go. Yeah.
I had to hold my breath to do that. You fucking come. I left me on the gas.
A business sponsor there. They get seawater so much. Get a hardy boy.
Try it so much.
That's not repellent, sunscreen. Yeah. Oh, take the big rope that day. Take the big rope that day. Yeah. Hey, somebody washing them. So if you guys like this video, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, and you already know. We'll see you guys